Hey guys, this is Fox here, and we're playing Medium. Now, well, I guess it's not really playing, it's a sculpting program, but we're going to be doing that today. So, the last time, I just sculpted a little bleh and then painted it, but this time I'm going to be actually sculpting something, or trying to, I don't know. And we'll see how it turns out. Let me put this on. I don't know if I'm going to be putting music on during this. I just might. Oops. I don't know what I did. I pushed a button. Okay, so this line that you see is a bit different than the last time you see it. It has symmetry on. So that means you can... It does it. If you do it on one side, it does it on the other. So, I think I'm going to be trying to do the skull mask. That's my kind of logo, I guess. The bird mask. I don't know how well I'm going to do. Like I said, I'm not amazing at 3D sculpting, as opposed to I am with like 2D stuff. So we're going to try and figure this out. Let's see. Clay. No. Let's try inflate. Woo! Okay, so don't laugh at me if it looks funky, 'cause it's gonna. Let's see. Whoops. Deflate. Okay, now hasn't quite gotten there yet underneath. So let's... A little bigger, it doesn't do anything. Alright, hold on. Looks like a giant penis, I know. Penis! God, I'm all shaky today. I don't know why. Maybe because I haven't eaten. That's probably why, actually. Okay, and let's try and... Okay, and inflate. There we go. Now, oh man. There we go. We hit space. Whoops. I hope I didn't hit the other side. Whoops. Whoops. Damn it. So, I don't know. It's coming out alright. It still needs a little work. Let's see. Narrow it down a bit here. There we go, that's better. Whoop. Okay. I guess I should put commentary above this. Actually, like, say things. I think I think that it is very easy to use as a program. It's pretty damn awesome. Whoops. Was I supposed to do that? Yes. I think this is pretty damn awesome as a program. So like, God, I can't think of anything to say. I think it's just because I'm hungry. So like the sculpting itself, I'm actually using deflate and inflate instead of using clay or taking out clay and stuff like that, which is that one. Which to me, I think it's, and I'm just experimenting here. This is the first time I've actually done this. I'm just experimenting, and right now it feels like this is super easy to sculpt with. It has a lot of control, relatively. I mean, considering that I'm just touching air. The only bad thing about this is that I'm shaky as hell. But it's not really affecting the sculpt too much, I don't think, which is good. Oh man, this side here is all fucked. Let's see, just put inflate back on. There we go, put it back. Yeah, it's actually really easy to do. Put this. How come it's not coming out mirrored? That's my question. This is really confusing. This is really weird. Okay, so. It is indeed confusing. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay. So I don't know why it's not being the way it should be. Should probably pull these in a bit. Let's see. Okay. There we go. There we go. It doesn't quite look like it, but I mean, what am I gonna do? There we go, that looks a little bit better. That's why it's not symmetrical. It's crooked. Makes sense. My side might have to stay like that. Let me try and reset it. Let's see. Let's try. Oh no, I might not be able to reset it. Ah, there we go. Well, there you go. It is a somewhat symmetrical skull. Just look at this side. It looks great. Let's see. Maybe we can paint it. Let me try and paint this. Let's see. We need... don't know what that is. Whoops. That's neat. There we go. Nope. Not it. I missed a part. This side doesn't have a nose hole. Great. Cool. See, that looks a lot better. I upped the resolution quite a bit, it looks like. Plus I made it bigger, so there's that. Alright, now I can deflate. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna... Whoops. There you go. That's not too bad. Cool. Now I can add more detail. So just blow it up like crazy like that, and I deflate a bit. By the way, if anybody wants to see my other art or this art, you can check it out. It's on DA, and the link to that is on my channel page next to my banner, or on my banner, whatever. So if you guys want to check that out, that's cool. If not, whatever. It's no big deal. So let's see. I'm gonna make that a little deeper because it looks kind of funky because it's kind of big. So, whoops. not inflate. Deflate. Just to, I am using the flatten tool to jagged this thing up. There we go. Let's see how that looks so far. Looks good. There you go. Probably a little too deep, but... Whoops. Sorry, guys. Alright, so now I need to paint it again because it's funky as fuck. Paint it, and I need the teardropper to take this color and make it small. I think I need opacity on that. Nope. Opacity down to 40%. Oh, I guess some depth to that area. Okay, sorry about that. What was I saying? Oh yeah, just adding some base paint or base shadows just to give it a little more depth. Where I didn't like, I kind of like right here there is no like it doesn't go in, so I might fix that, or I might just leave it as is because it's kind of nice faking shadows and faking depth on a 3D model. It kind of gives it some nice like a stylized look. There we go. Let's see. Now I should probably blend in all of that shit. So I'm gonna dupe and wanna it is not quite doing it, so let's up it. There we go. It's a little bit more defined. Okay, so what should I do? Let's. No, it doesn't. Okay, so let's try and go more saturated and more blue, I guess. But I don't know. My color theory is pretty kind of shitty. So, we'll see. We'll see how it looks. Go away. doesn't look bad, but I need to add. I need to shade it in with the more brown, yellow one. Okay, so I think that's it for now. There's my burb skull. Oh man, this episode is probably super long. Sorry guys, but yeah, that's a sculpt in medium. You could probably do all kinds of cool shit with just painting it. I know there's a lot of techniques done by like Firewatch has a cool like dry brush look, and so does the Long Dark, and things like that. And you can kind of get that kind of look with this if you use like large brush strokes to color things or to shade things and stuff. I kind of achieve that effect with the shadowing, but yeah, it looks alright. It looks alright. It's been a long time since I've actually sculpted in 3D, and when I was sculpting it was on a tablet, so this isn't bad. This is actually really easy to sculpt in. It's honestly, I think it's easier than on the tablet and stuff. The only bad thing about it is that like it can only subdivide so many times, or up the resolution of it so many times before it runs out of memory, because it's running off of the Oculus memory, I think, of some kind. I don't know. My computer can handle it usually in like other programs like Mudbox or whatever, but for some reason this one don't. So it can only subdivide so much and make it so big and stuff. So, but anyway, that's my sculpt, and thank you guys for. Okay, but anyway, that was my sculpting, and thank you guys so much for checking my video out. If you liked this one, like it hit the like button, or just comment and just let me know what you want to see. If you want to see any more sculpts, I can definitely do that. I might do that anyway because it's fun. So thank you guys, and I'll definitely see you next time. Fox out.